Hello and welcome to another edition of Rose on the Road. I am here in Oostburg State Bank's Sheboygan Falls office, a brand new location for the bank as of last December. And with me is Tom Leibham from the bank. Tom, thank you so much for having me come here today to visit the location. I know I missed the grand opening in December, but today it's a lot warmer day in June 30th here. So let's talk a little bit about the branch here in Sheboygan Falls. This is the bank's really third branch, with the last one not occurring except 15 years ago, so a little gap in time. Tell us, why did the bank choose Sheboygan Falls?
Well, for a number of years they've been looking to get closer to the Sheboygan, city of Sheboygan, so we looked at a couple different locations throughout the county, and when the opportunity came up, some of the other banks had left the Sheboygan Falls market, and this location came up, and we all talked about it and liked it and thought it would be a good move.
Yeah. Well, and you said earlier to me, I mean, you had customers certainly in this area.
Correct.
Too, so
Right. Yep.
Just not a physical branch location.
Right. Yep. We had a lot of customers from the Sheboygan area that did loans with us, but deposits, just location-wise, was still a challenge to overcome. And they all kept saying if we ever get closer to Sheboygan, they would do more business with us, and that's what we're seeing happen now. So
And that's
it's a good thing,
excellent.
right?
Yeah, that's really exciting. So branch is brand new, a lot of natural light in here. Talk a little bit about the design and what were some of the priorities for the bank and the staff who work here.
Yeah, so we our second office that we opened in Cedar Grove was built 15 years ago, and they kind of had open lobby concept compared to our first office. So we basically told the architect, design one that kind of had the open concept and one that was more traditional. So they came up with two designs. We all looked at this one and liked this one better than the other one, and for a bunch of bankers, we didn't know a whole lot about architecture and all that stuff, but we learned the whole building process, so they were very helpful. We had the contractor we used and the architect. They made it simple. They came up with some options for us to choose from, and again, we kind of thumbs up, thumbs down, took a vote, and whatever vote went, kind of worked out, and they made it very smooth and simple process as far as that goes. So.
Yeah, and a lot of neat things. Certainly, like I mentioned earlier, a lot of natural light being brought into the main part of the lobby for your staff and customers. High ceilings with wood paneling on them, matching wood floors, several offices that could be hoteling offices, right, for the team as they come around. And what I really love, which I'll show a photo of at the end of the video, is the TV screen out in the drive-up. What's the story behind that?
Yeah. Well, overall, the challenge for banks now is how do you get people to come in the building, because digital, online, people don't really need to come into the building. So we wanted to make the building comfortable for people to come in, make it welcoming. Once they're in here, didn't want to overwhelm them with too much, advertising or glitter kind of stuff or whatever. So we kind of came up with the TVs inside the building to do marketing on. And then also we started thinking about the drive-through area. So I know there's a lot of digital type signage you can put out there and stuff. And one day we were talking, also we were like, well, let's just put a TV screen out there, and we can use that. Marketing can do their marketing stuff and switch it whenever they need to switch it. We don't have to order printed material, the old vinyl display panels or whatever that the banks used to do. And some digital stuff you could put words out there, but not pictures. So this worked out perfect. We put videos out there. We could do any type of advertisement we want, so it's worked out very nicely.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you very much for the special tour you gave me today and for your time this afternoon and sharing a little bit about the bank and the new location. Congratulations. It's a beautiful space.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.